Diagnosing Faults in Car Air Conditioning Systems, a step-by-step guide. Car air conditioning, AC systems, are essential for comfort, especially during hot weather. Diagnosing faults in an AC system involves checking various components to identify the cause of the problem. Here's a comprehensive guide. Before diving into complex diagnostics, check the following. AC button. Ensure the AC button is activated. Temperature settings. Set the temperature to the coldest setting. Fan speed. Make sure the fan is blowing at the desired speed. Recirculation mode. Ensure air is set to recirculate inside the cabin. If everything seems correct but no cold air is coming out, move on to further checks. Fuse box. Locate the fuse box, usually under the hood or dashboard, and find the fuse related to the AC system. Blown fuse. Replace if it's blown. Relay. Test or swap the AC relay with another of the same type to check for functionality. Visual inspection. Look at the AC compressor for visible damage. Compressor clutch. With the engine running and AC on, observe whether the clutch engages. If it doesn't, the issue could be low refrigerant, a faulty clutch, or electrical problems. AC pressure gauges. Connect gauges to the high and low pressure ports to check refrigerant levels. Normal readings. Low side pressure should be around 45 psi and high side around 200, 250 psi.